Hey guys, welcome to PKC Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code. But before doing so, I'll first briefly explain about Visual Studio. If you guys already know about VS Code and its features, then you can move on to the timestamp provided on the screen to skip the explaining part and jump directly to the installation of VS Code. So let's start. Now, what is VS Code? VS Code is a lightweight and powerful code editor which helps many developers to write plain and simple code. It is mostly used by web developers who works on React, Node or Django framework. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript and Node.js, and it has many extensions which help developers in many ways. Like there is one extension called live server, so whenever you save the code you do not have to refresh the page every time. It will do it itself. I'll show you how you can install that extension in VS Code, and it also has extensions for other languages also, like C++, C#, Java, Python, Go, and it has several runtimes also like .NET and Utility. So if you want to know more about Visual Studio Code, you can just go to code.visualstudio.com/docs. This document provides good information about VS Code, like you can see here. It has IntelliSense and streamlined debugging, fast powerful editing, and end product source control, including rich Git integration. And here are some top extensions which you can use according to your language. And here you can also see how you can install Visual Studio Code, and also this I'll show you for Windows, and if you want to check for Linux or Mac you can check it here. And also you can see here how you can use it for other languages like Python, Java or C++. If you want to know more about, you can check this document section here. So now we have some knowledge about VS Code. Let us download and install it. So now to download, open your web browser and just type Visual Studio Code in Google and click on this link, download Visual Studio Code. So now as you can see, we have Visual Studio Code for Windows, Ubuntu and Mac OS. I'm having Windows, so I'll click on Windows, and now it will get downloaded. And as you can see, download is get started. I'll not download it as I'm already having the installer. Guys, I will provide this link in the description, and also one Mediafire link if you want this version of Visual Studio Code. So you'll get this file when you download it. Just click it, accept the agreement, select the location where you need to install the software, next, and you can click here to create a desktop icon, next, and install. So now as you can see, we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. Just click on finish. Like first, when you install, you will not get these recent. I was previously having Visual Studio Code, so that is why it is showing the recent files, and it will also show my previous extensions as you can see here. And one more thing guys, if you want to change the theme of the VS Code, you can just go to file and preferences and color theme. Here you can select whichever theme you want. I prefer the dark theme, so I will select that only. Yeah, so now I'll show you how you can install extensions. So there is one extension I was telling you about in the explaining part called the live server. Here is it. Here, if you can see it, there is details about the extension and you can see it in action also. Like if he saves, then this part will change. See, automatically, you don't have to refresh the page or anything. So now to install it, you can just click here. So now as you can see, we have installed this extension, and if we click again to the extensions, if we delete this part, then we can see we have live server extension installed in Visual Studio. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is PKC Tech. Thanks for watching guys.